A while ago, I bought these. These are the Razer Hammerhead True Wireless earbuds. And when I bought them, I praised them for sounding great, looking pretty nice, and actually being a pretty good competitor to AirPods. Problem is I broke them. Probably much like that. I was actually at work using them as part of my job, and one of the earbuds just completely died. And it might be because I've dropped them in the past. This is quite a scuffed up case at this point. And it came time for a replacement. Fortunately, for the same price that I paid for these, I could get these. These are the Razer Hammerhead True Wireless. And I'm actually pretty excited because looking at this box, it looks like Razer stole a whole lot from the AirPods Pros. So let's unbox it and review it, because that's what we do on this channel. Of course, right after the intro. What do we got today? Well, we got our Razer Hammerhead True Wireless headphones. And yeah, looking at the box, it looks an awful lot like AirPods. Now, I don't own AirPod Pros, but I used to work in retail. And this box is just oh so familiar. The size is just about right. Having the headphones right on the front like this is just about right. And I mean, even the case looks like the AirPod Pro case. That being said, these have RGB, which the AirPod Pros do not. They have active noise cancellation, which they do, and yeah, just a whole slew of features. Also, they work really well with Android because Razer makes Android apps that are compatible. And they also make iOS apps as well. So you can use this on both Android and iOS the same. Does not say what the battery life is. That's a little concerning. That being said, if it's anything like the old ones, it's gonna be great. So there we go. After you take the plastic off, the box is actually very matte. And if it opens up like the Apple one, which it does, it's gonna be a form fit. Oh my God, Razer. How much of the AirPods did you rip off for this? A lot. Holy crap. Oh. Okay, so we've got ear tips, charging cable, a little tiny welcome to the cult. Whether you're working or playing, I actually am gonna be using these for work. And then we should have a chroma sticker. Yes, we do. Chroma sticker. So put that in there. Ear tip sizes, let's see what we got. Oh, I almost already lost one. So it looks like we have a large and a small. So the mediums are probably already installed in here. So we'll just put those in there so we don't lose them. Charging cable, standard USB-C, really short. Not really a fan of the short cables, but more USB cables, the better. I need more USB-C. And then this, God, it's so much like the AirPods. And how do you steal a sound? They're a step up. These are definitely a step up. So I actually have a Razer phone. I broke it a while ago and I've been holding it together with a sticker. All you're gonna need, if you're gonna do any of the crazy cool stuff, is the Razer Audio app. And then you just select the Razer Hammerhead Pro. These are the True Wireless, not the Pros. Searching, so let me just open that up. Try again. There you go, connect. Connecting. All right, we are connected. Done. So now, wow, man. You can see the RGB right there. They look pretty damn awesome. And interestingly enough, these are an oblong shaped ear tip. So All right, so we got our little tutorial here. They got a decent amount of battery. We have an equalizer that we can use, which we're gonna start with the default, of course. Razer Chroma, which I have also installed. Interestingly enough, Razer Chroma had an APK version, which is a way of doing it without using it through an app store. That being said, I can just run it through the Google Play Store. Right now it's green though, so that's pretty good. Let's listen to some music. Can't seem to swing him out. Damn, that bass. Okay, normal music test wise, they're pretty good. What are my final thoughts on these? Well, I like them. I like them a lot. They're gonna do exactly what I want them to do, which is replace these. They sound amazing, actually. And I like a lot about what's going on here. The charging mechanism feels a bit more secure. The snap here still is, I love it so much. I'm probably going to do this way too much. But overall, sounds great. Game mode does kind of deteriorate the sound ever so slightly, but it does increase the speed in which the Bluetooth connects to the earbuds themselves. It does still have a noticeable amount of lag on it though. So, I mean, gaming, probably not. But that also could literally just be, you know, this phone. The Bluetooth latency is different per each device. So it's one of the downsides about being an Android-based device. But I personally like it and can kind of recommend it to those who are looking for not AirPods. And these were about $120. So price-wise, you're not saving that much money, but you are saving a bit over AirPod Pros. So yeah, that's what we're gonna end today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, you can leave it a like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video because we've got more Razer stuff coming. We've got PC builds coming. We got all sorts of crazy cool things coming. So yeah, if you're interested in tech and tech adjacent things like gaming, consider giving us a subscription. It's free and it helps me stay motivated to keep doing these things. But that's what we're gonna do today. So thank you guys again. Wolfie out.